Good afternoon, America. Mark.Kelson here at Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon, today to present to you this 2018 Newmar Baystar Sport 3113 model. Great floor plan. Let's go in and look at it. Coming in, striking colors in here. I mean, you got the contrast of the brown and cream against the real lighter cream. It's just a beautiful, beautiful coach. Here you do have the couch that pulls out into a bed. Very simple, it's an air bed. Works very well, very quick when you have folks over. You do have this table that pulls out also. Give you 2 more chairs so you can get 4 people here. And notice the positioning of the TV so that you're not turning your neck or your body and straining while watching this. You can sit there and just watch it very easily. This also has the nice cabinetry that Newmar is known for. Beautiful coach. And turn some lights on there. Coming back into the kitchen, you've got 2 sinks there, stainless steel. Corian countertop. Nice Moen faucet. This is their 50-year anniversary. Very important. They've withstood the test of time. Nice cabinets in this coach. A lot of cabinets. You do have a microwave, the oven, and the stovetop 3-burner with the fan right up above it, strategically placed. Nice little 2-door refrigerator freezer with the pantry area right there. Across the hallway, we have the bathroom right here, the corner shower, nice Corian, nice skylight up above, nice little vanity area there, medicine chest if you will. Coming to the back, this is one of the shortest coaches that features the king bed. So you do have the king bed, beautiful accents, pillows, side windows for ventilation, and in the back, nice window for viewing everything that you're pulling up to, which is the pleasure of RVing. You do have the emergency exit over here, cabinet right here, cabinets on the side for wardrobe, and drawers for clothing. Southco latches hold those babies firm when in transit. What a coach. This is a great floor plan. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer up there. So up in the cockpit, you come up here, you'll notice it's on a Ford chassis. And you do have very easy access to your dials right here. So up here you have your battery boost, you have your generator start, you can reset whatever here you need to reset, your lighting, just everything right there. You have the levelers over here to the left, they're automatic levelers. You do have your entertainment center right here. You can play CDs. Your backup camera. This has side cameras. You do also have the shade that comes down at the push of a button, and then you got the roller shades on the side so you can block this whole thing off for nighttime privacy. Over here, neat little thing, is the table. It's very, very cool. So this coach, Baystar Sport 3113, features full body paint. That's awesome. It'll never, never go bad on you, fade, any of that stuff. Coming down underneath, you got storage in this coach. You do have your water tank behind that felt right there, but there's some more storage over here on the side. Look at how much storage this has. My goodness, there's another one right there. And then coming back one more, you're looking at your Onan 4000 generator. And then in the back again, you got storage that goes up and over to the other side for those long items that you can't find a place to put. Coming to the back, again, the nice window. You have your backup camera up above. You do have the tow hitch right down here, 5,000 pounds. Coming over to the side, you do have these flat flush windows, very sleek looking. You can't see in, but you can see out. It's pretty awesome. 30 amp service right here. Your tank fill. You do have your waste drains right there. Coming over underneath here, more storage. There, and there. And then you have your propane tank up here. It's a rather large propane tank. Now this does have the side cameras on it. Even though it is a Baystar Sport, it does feature some real upgrades. It's on the V10 Ford. Tell you what, these are great coaches. If this one is of interest to you, they're going out quickly. Please give me a call. Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.